Now let us discuss about sequence, selection and iteration in a Java program. Composition of computer programs center around three basic control structures, or we can say three basic programming constructs, and these are sequence, selection and iteration. So let us start with sequence. What is the meaning of the term sequence in terms of a computer programming language? For example, in Java, so instructions must occur in a set order and one operation cannot start until the previous operation has finished. We know that our Java program is composed of many instructions. Now the question arises, which particular instructions out of the set of instructions is executed first? So there has to be a well-defined order of instructions of the statements. That is what the sequence is all about. By sequence we mean that all the statements are to be executed sequentially, means one by one each and every instruction is executed. Next instruction cannot start until the previous instruction has finished execution, means the previous instruction is fully executed. Then and only then the next instruction may be executed. So if we have 10 instructions in our program, suppose we have designed a program having 10 instructions, so first of all the first instruction is executed, then second, then third. It's a top to bottom approach, in fact. So by sequence we mean that all the statements are executed in a well-defined order. Next we have selection. Instructions performed are determined by the outcome of a condition. Basically, selection means branching. Depending upon some condition, we have to execute a particular set of conditions, and that will be done in our Java program with the help of if statements, if else statements, if else if ladder, and the switch statements. And what is iteration? By iteration we mean execution of a set of statements finitely. We have got a set of statements that needs to be executed again and again unless and until a particular condition is met. So we will discuss about sequence, selection and iteration in greater detail in the coming video lessons. Here just it's an example of the sequence of instructions. We have taken an example that we have declared three variables a, b, c of data type integer. This is first instruction, then second instruction, third instruction, fourth instruction, fifth instructions, and so on. Now the execution of the program will start from this point, from the very first instruction, as per our example. First of all, three variables will be declared. Some memory space will be assigned to them. Then 10 will be stored to A, 20 will be stored to B, addition will be performed between A and B, and sum will be stored to C, then it is printed, and so on. So there is actually a sequence of instructions that is followed while executing the instructions. In case of branching, we have multiple branches. In this example we have got two branches of the instructions, first set of the instructions and second set of the instructions. Now out of these two given sets of instructions, only one set will get executed. Which particular set of instruction gets executed? For that some decision must be taken depending upon this condition. If this condition evaluates to true, then this particular set of instruction gets executed. Here we can enclose multiple statements, multiple instructions, and if this set of if this condition evaluates to false, then this set of instructions gets executed. Means execution of this first particular set of instructions or the second set of instructions as per this example depends upon the condition. If this condition evaluates to true, then one set is executed and other is skipped, and this condition, if this condition gets false, means evaluates to false, then the second set of instruction gets executed and the other one is skipped. So we shall be using if else statements, if else if ladder and switch statements for the branching purpose, and about iteration we will learn in the coming video lessons.